In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin to move your designs from Figma into Wix Studio faster and with less manual work. First, open your design file in Figma. Make sure your layout is clean and organized because the plugin works best when frames, text, and layers are properly named and structured. Next, go to the top menu in Figma and open Plugins and Widgets. From there, click Browse Plugins and search for Figma to Wix Studio. Once you find it, click Install. After installing the plugin, go back to your design file. Select the main frame or section you want to send to Wix Studio. This is important because the plugin only exports what you select. Now, open the plugin again from the Plugins menu. When the plugin opens, it will ask you to connect your Wix account. Log in to your Wix Studio account and allow access so the plugin can send your design properly. Once connected, choose the Export option inside the plugin. The plugin will start converting your Figma elements into Wix Studio components. This may take a few seconds depending on the size of your design. After the process finishes, switch to Wix Studio. You'll see your imported design inside the editor. From here, you can adjust spacing, responsiveness, and interactions to better match your original Figma layout. Keep in mind that not everything is always perfect on the first import. I usually spend a few minutes fixing fonts, alignments, and responsive behavior, but it still saves a lot of time compared to rebuilding everything from scratch. And that's how you use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. If this video helped you, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Figma tutorials.